Halki Diabetes Remedy Review. Halki Diabetes Remedy teaches you the 1-minute habit that can completely flush your body of the toxins. New research has discovered to be the root cause of diabetes. Yes, it only takes 60 seconds and the system provides you with 21 days of 60-second habits. What is the Halki Diabetes Remedy program about? New research has found that type 2 diabetes is not caused by what you eat. Instead, studies have discovered that type 2 diabetes is caused by the toxins that you're subjected to each and every day. What's more important is that, although it's impossible to avoid the toxins that are causing so many diseases and illnesses today, Halki Diabetes Remedy is a comprehensive system that teaches you the nutritional steps to flushing your body of the toxins that new research has discovered to be the root cause of type 2 diabetes. However, it doesn't just set you up with a 21-day meal plan and send you on your way. The program comes as one ebook which includes 1 valuable information that teaches you the root cause of diabetes, 2 diabetes reversing charts, 3 recipes, 4 to 21-day meal plan. Let's take a look at some of the bonus programs you receive for absolutely free. Bonus 1 Relaxed Mind Healthy Body Guide, Mind Map and Cheat Sheet. Bonus 2 10 videos for Relaxed Mind Healthy Body Guide. Bonus 3 Energy Multiplier Guide, Mind Map and Cheat Sheet. Bonus 4 to 10 videos for Energy Multiplier. Bonus 5 Achieve Your Goals Guide, Mind Map and Cheat Sheet. Bonus 6 to 10 videos for Achieve Your Goals. And it's providing you 60-day money-back guarantee if you are unsatisfied. Click link in description for discount and plus bonuses. Nothing to lose. Thanks for watching Halki Diabetes Remedy Review.
Halki Diabetes Remedy Reviews. Today, we are gonna review Halki Diabetes Remedy teaches you the 1-minute habit that can completely flush your body of the toxins that new research has discovered to be the root cause of diabetes. Yes, it only takes 60 seconds and the system provides you with 21 days of 60-second habits you can do to not only reverse and repair the damage that has been caused by your diabetes, but you can also eliminate the symptoms completely in a matter of weeks. There's no voodoo spell or magic potion, nor does the system involve potentially harmful prescription medications or anything that will break your bank. Instead, it's all about getting the right nutrition into your system that flushes out the diabetes-causing toxins. What is the Halki Diabetes Remedy? New research has found that E2 diabetes is not caused by what you eat. Instead, studies have discovered that type 2 diabetes is caused by the toxins that you're subjected to each and every day. We live in a world that is full of toxins. They're in your home, in the fresh air, at work, in your clothes, in your pantries, you name it. Toxins are everywhere. What's more important is that, although it's impossible to avoid the toxins that are causing so many diseases and illnesses today, there are many natural and safe ways to flush them out of your system. And that's precisely what Halki Diabetes Remedy is all about. Summary of the Halki Diabetes Remedy program. Put simply, is a comprehensive system that teaches you the nutritional steps to flushing your body of the toxins that new research has discovered to be the root cause of type 2 diabetes. However, it doesn't just set you up with a 21-day meal plan and send you on your way. Instead, Halki Diabetes Remedy takes the time to educate you on exactly what's going on with your body and how the toxins of today's world are the root cause of the program. Then, it provides you with the steps needed to turn your newfound knowledge into action. So, all the hard work is pretty much done for you. You just have to go to the day that you're on, add the listed ingredients into your diet, or follow the recipes provided to you, and you can eliminate your diabetes symptoms and reverse and repair the damage that has been done. Advantages of the Halki Diabetes Remedy. A very good advantages of the Halki Diabetes Remedy are that the program is digital and you can watch it whenever you want and it doesn't take long time. You can build long-term good habits as the program offers a lot of recipes, useful content about getting rid of the things which cause diabetes. Even, it can eliminate some, if not all, of the symptoms of diabetes, so you will not struggle with health in general. The Halki Diabetes Remedy also has a lot of positive reviews over the internet. It is at the affordable price of $37, as you have 60 days money-back guarantee. I personally think that it is totally worth the money. The conclusion: Halki Diabetes Remedy teaches you about the toxins that are causing diabetes, and then it provides you a breakdown of the different ingredients that can reverse and repair the damage that diabetes has done. It even gives you recipes to add into your diet each day. So, if you don't want to sprinkle your morning tea with this ingredient, you can add a that includes the specific ingredients instead. So, if you're tired of taking insulin shots, prescription medications and still dealing with diabetic complications, perhaps trying a safe, healthy and natural way to reverse diabetes is the solution you've been looking for. Please visit the link in description for the Halki Diabetes Remedy download or subscribe our channel. Thanks.
In this video we are going to show you the benefits of Halki Diabetes Remedy. Benefits of Halki Diabetes Remedy. Halki Diabetes Remedy is an effective way to solve your problem forever, and you can do it without using insulin injections or antihypertensive drugs, without harmful treatments and without changing your life. It stabilizes blood sugar safely in just 3 weeks, so you can enjoy the vibrant health and real energy which you never dreamed about. It does not depend on the risky pharmacological treatment or harmful and unnecessary gastric bypass surgery, both of which are unable to cure the causes. Halki Diabetes Remedy is a completely natural, risk-free and effective solution which can permanently eliminate the cause of diabetes. This helps to return the normal health by detoxifying the body from the inside, which allows the body to eliminate the acids that damage cells to work effectively and constantly. This program determines the exact ratio of ingredients and the amount required to prepare recipes. It transforms your body into a detoxifying fat-burning machine. You will be able to burn body fat, maintain unhealthy sugar cravings and control healthy body mass. This is a 21-day protocol that helps you learn more about the strength of healthy food. It improves heart, brain, energy level and much more to develop your health. Bonus of Halki Diabetes Remedy. Relaxed mind, healthy body, the energy multiplier, achieve your goals. Pros. The program has helped thousands of people around the world. Clear and simple instructions for removing diabetes. Payment is 100% secure with this ClickBank, one of the safest online companies. It is a scientifically proven natural program. The program is available all over the world at a very reasonable price. Advantages of Halki Diabetes Remedy. The greatest advantage to Halki Diabetes Remedy is that it gives you a natural and safe solution to not only combat type 2 diabetes but to also reverse and repair all of the damage that it's caused thus far. This is a huge benefit because you can take all the medication and insulin shots needed to make sure your diabetes doesn't get worse, but these options don't actually fix the problem. What you learn in this program does, and by tackling the root cause of type 2 diabetes, you can repair the damage and eliminate the disease altogether. I also really enjoyed having the program in digital format. It gave me an excellent boost of confidence knowing that no matter where I went, I had the regime and all the valuable information needed with me. I didn't have to worry about getting to the grocery store and having no idea what to buy because I forgot to bring the program. This actually brings me to another benefit. I really liked how the program doesn't just tell you all these tips and sends you on your way. It actually takes the time to teach you the steps and recipes needed to make the transition easy. Oh, and one more thing I really liked is that the program is 21 days long to ensure that you form new, healthy habits. In other words, you don't just do the program and go back to your old ways, you change by reshaping your lifestyle. For purchase Halki Diabetes Remedy, please click on link below in description.